Amaranth, the world's greatest grain. Magnificent health benefits of amaranth. Part 1. This is an educational channel dedicated to the learning of food science, health and nutrition knowledge, learning about and concerning the best foods that greatly reduce the risk of cancer, heart disease, chronic disease, high blood pressure, diabetes, strokes, and many more forms of sickness, disease, illnesses, and viruses. The word amaranth means unfading in Greek. However, the flowers aren't amaranth's big draw. It's the seeds. After harvesting, they're used similarly to grains like rice and oats. Amaranth is native to Mexico and Central America. It was a staple food of the Aztecs, and it remains a part of the Central American diet. Amaranth has increased in popularity throughout the US as more people have become aware of its impressive nutritional profile. It's easy to see why. Amaranth's nutty, pleasantly sweet flavor and its versatility make it a perfect choice for many recipes. Health benefits. The nutrients in amaranth can offer significant health benefits as a part of a healthy diet. Here are some other health benefits of amaranth. Naturally gluten-free. Amaranth is a good option for people with celiac disease, a condition in which an immune system reaction to wheat gluten can damage the small intestine. High in protein. Amaranth is one of the richest plant forms of protein available. The protein is easily absorbed by the body and contains all amino acids, even lysine, which is often missing from cereal grains. Studies have shown that in the plant kingdom, amaranth proteins are among the most similar to animal proteins. Antioxidant-rich. Amaranth is rich in antioxidants, including gallic acid and vanillic acid. Antioxidants help fight free radicals, which are damaging byproducts of normal cellular activity, helping to reduce everything from signs of aging to heart disease. Eases inflammation. Some allergic reactions lead to uncomfortable inflammation through the production of immunoglobulin E. Early studies show that amaranth can slow down the body's production of immunoglobulin E, reducing inflammation. Lowers cholesterol. 2 studies in animals show that amaranth and its oil have the potential to lower bad LDL cholesterol significantly without lowering good HDL cholesterol. Nutrients per serving. A 1/4 cup serving of dry, uncooked amaranth contains calories, 179, protein, 7 grams, fat, 3 grams, carbohydrates, 31 grams, fiber, 3 grams, sugar, 1 gram. Amaranth is rich in protein, with nearly double the amount found in corn or rice. Protein is essential for maintaining muscle mass and blood supply in the body. Amaranth is also an impressive source of calcium, vitamin C, phosphorus, manganese, selenium, magnesium. Amaranth contains your daily dose of manganese, an important micronutrient in a single serving. Manganese plays a key role in more than 300 enzyme reactions in the body, including immune responses, hormone creation, and even blood and bone formation. It is native to Mexico and Central America. The leaves and seeds of this plant are edible and provide various nutritional benefits. The leaves and seeds, also called kiwicha seeds in Peruvian, of this plant are emerging as a popular superfood because of the many health benefits that they offer. Both the seeds and leaves of the plant are gluten-free and rich in protein, fiber, minerals, and other nutrients. Gluten is the general name given to the protein found in grains such as wheat, barley, and rye, which may not be tolerated by some people because of health conditions such as gluten allergy or celiac disease. Amaranth seeds come in the category of pseudo-cereals. Not true cereals, but includes plants such as amaranth, quinoa, and buckwheat that produce fruits and seeds but are not a part of the grass family. Amaranth grain can be consumed as amaranth flour in several preparations, popped amaranth and amaranth flakes. Moreover, amaranth is a rich source of several other nutrients such as vitamins, antioxidants, and minerals including iron, calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, manganese, and selenium. The protein quality of amaranth is considered as good as animal proteins, such as those found in cheese. Amaranth provides gluten-free protein, which can be consumed even by people with health conditions such as gluten allergy or celiac disease. Good for gut health. Both the seeds and leaves are rich in fiber. Fiber aids in the digestion system, prevents constipation, and maintains gut health, promotes cardiovascular health. Amaranth has several nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber that maintain heart health, regulate blood pressure, and lower blood cholesterol levels. Plant sterols or phytosterols found in amaranth particularly have cholesterol-lowering properties. The high potassium content of amaranth also maintains heart health and regulates blood pressure, managing anemia. Amaranth is rich in iron and can thus help manage low iron levels in the body that cause anemia, low hemoglobin or red blood cells in the blood, the health of bones and teeth. Calcium and vitamin K present in amaranth help maintain healthy bones and teeth, healthy skin and vision. Amaranth has plenty of antioxidants including vitamin A that help keep the skin and eyes healthy, anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. Several studies have reported that amaranth may help prevent cancer. Various antioxidants and other nutrients, such as the peptide leucine found in amaranth, are known for their anti-inflammatory and cancer prevention properties. The anti-inflammatory properties may help prevent various diseases including heart disease, stroke and diabetes. Lowers cholesterol levels. The oils and phytosterols in amaranth help lower cholesterol levels, including LDL and triglycerides. Fights inflammation. The anti-inflammatory properties of peptides and oils in amaranth can ease pain and reduce inflammation. This is especially important for chronic conditions where inflammation erodes your health, such as diabetes, heart disease, and stroke. You can also use amaranth oil for minor injuries and specific skin conditions. For example, if you trip and sprain your ankle, you can use it to reduce the risk of inflammation. 4. Reduces risk of developing cancer. The same peptides in amaranth that protect against inflammation may also help prevent cancer, a study shows. The antioxidants in amaranth grain may even help protect cells from damage that can lead to cancer. 5. Normalizes blood pressure levels. The fiber and phytonutrients in amaranth can lower blood pressure, according to some recent studies. This seed tackles cholesterol, inflammation, and blood pressure, making it an all-around good food for heart health. In fact, just 1 cup of amaranth already contains about 10 grams of protein. Luckily, amaranth has a good amount of lysine, which helps the body absorb calcium, build muscle, and produce energy. 8. Fiber helps with digestion. This makes it filling and helps aid digestive health, cholesterol, and blood pressure, and slows the absorption of sugars to let the body keep up with energy production. Adding foods that are high fiber like amaranth are a great option. Using amaranth as part of a healthy breakfast can help increase energy and better digestive functions. Amaranth is a very rich source of minerals like calcium, magnesium, and copper. It is also a good source of zinc, potassium, and phosphorus. These build strong bones and muscles, aid hydration, boost energy, and are vital in thousands of processes throughout the body. It's a fast-absorbing multivitamin that comes entirely from raw plant sources and contains no synthetics. These natural ingredients come loaded with phytonutrients, like fulvic acid, that deliver our plant-based vitamin-mineral complex for increased absorbability, rushing nutrition to the cells where it's needed. Amaranth is also a good source of many essential vitamins too, including vitamins A, C, E, K, B5, B6, folate, niacin, and riboflavin. These act as antioxidants, raise energy levels, control hormones, and do much more. 11. Boosts immune system. 12. Darkens grey hair. Amaranth helps prevent premature greying, mainly due to the minerals this seed has in abundance. Amaranth, like most seeds, nuts, and grains, does contain some phytic acid, a phosphorus storage molecule that can bind to many minerals and keep us from digesting and using these vital nutrients. The amaranth plant has a modest amount of oxalic acid, which should be avoided or only moderately used by those with more serious conditions such as gout, kidney problems, or rheumatoid arthritis. Amaranth may have cancer-preventing anti-inflammatory properties. Leucine is a peptide previously identified in soybeans and is widely thought to have cancer-preventive benefits as well as possibly blocking inflammation that accompanies several chronic health conditions such as diabetes, heart disease, and stroke. Additional bioactive peptides in amaranth protein were found to have anti-hypertensive properties. Amaranth benefits patients with cardiovascular disease. Patients who presented with coronary heart disease and hypertension not only showed benefits from the inclusion of amaranth in their diets, researchers also saw a decrease in the amounts of total cholesterol, triglycerides, and LDL significantly. Amaranth leaves offer potential health benefits. Of all the commercial and wild leafy greens studied, amaranth leaves were found to contain some of the highest levels of beta-carotene and lutein, even higher than the commercially available chicory and endive. Oils in amaranth may help cut cholesterol. Researchers from the U.S. Department of Agriculture in Madison, WI, conducted studies that showed the healthy oil in amaranth could significantly reduce total cholesterol and LDL, bad cholesterol, in 6-week-old female chickens. The Institute of Nutrition of Central America and Panama in Guatemala conducted a comparative study between the protein in amaranth and cheese protein. Researchers concluded that the protein in amaranth is among the most nutritious vegetable-based protein and can be considered on par with protein from animal-based products. Amaranth's protein is especially good for children. Researchers in Peru fed toasted amaranth flour, popped amaranth grain, and amaranth flakes to young children as the source of all dietary protein and fat, and as 50% of their daily energy requirements. Later, children were fed a mix of amaranth and corn in various flour, flake, and meal forms. Results showed that protein uptake from amaranth flour was favorable, and combining amaranth with corn provided for better protein uptake than consuming corn alone. Some other additional health-related tidbits about amaranth. Grains of amaranth are 5% to 9% oil, which is higher than other grains but may also account for its increased levels of cholesterol-lowering properties. The grain has a potential use as a source of squalene oil, a fatty compound often used in vaccines, promotes cardiovascular health. Amaranth has several nutrients including vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber that maintain heart health, regulate. Amaranth is also a good source of many essential vitamins too, including vitamins A, C, E, K, B5, B6, folate, niacin, and riboflavin. Amaranth has many micronutrients and anti-inflammatory properties. It may help lower cholesterol, aid weight loss, and is gluten-free. Amaranth is a group of more than 60 different species of grains that have been cultivated for about 8,000 years. Amaranth is classified as a pseudo-cereal, meaning that it's not technically a cereal grain like wheat or oats, but it shares a comparable set of nutrients and is used in similar ways. Besides being incredibly versatile, this nutritious grain is naturally gluten-free and rich in protein, fiber, micronutrients, and antioxidants of years. In particular, amaranth is a good source of manganese, magnesium, phosphorus, and iron. 1 cup, 246 grams of cooked amaranth contains the following nutrients: calories, 251, protein, 9.3 grams, carbs, 46 grams, fat, 5.2 grams, manganese, 105% of the RDI, magnesium, 40% of the RDI, phosphorus, 36% of the RDI, iron, 29% of the RDI, selenium, 19% of the RDI, copper, 18% of the RDI. Amaranth is packed with manganese, exceeding your daily nutrient needs in just 1 serving. Manganese is especially important for brain function and believed to protect against certain neurological conditions. It's also rich in magnesium, an essential nutrient involved in nearly 300 reactions in the body, including DNA synthesis and muscle contraction. What's more, amaranth is high in phosphorus, a mineral that is important for bone health. It's also rich in iron, which helps your body produce blood. Good source of fiber, protein, manganese, magnesium, phosphorus, and iron, along with several other important micronutrients. It contains antioxidants. Antioxidants are naturally occurring compounds that help protect against harmful free radicals in the body. Free radicals can cause damage to cells and contribute to the development of chronic disease. Amaranth is a good source of health-promoting antioxidants. One review reported that amaranth is especially high in phenolic acids, which are plant compounds that act as antioxidants. These include gallic acid, p-hydroxybenzoic acid, and vanillic acid, all of which may help protect against diseases like heart disease and cancer. In one rat study, amaranth was found to increase the activity of certain antioxidants and help protect the liver against alcohol. Amaranth is high in several antioxidants such as gallic acid, p-hydroxybenzoic acid, and vanillic acid, which may help protect against disease. Eating amaranth could reduce inflammation. Inflammation is a normal immune response designed to protect the body against injury and infection. However, chronic inflammation can contribute to chronic disease and has been associated with conditions like cancer, diabetes, and autoimmune disorders. Several studies have found that amaranth could have an anti-inflammatory effect in the body. Remember, the information in this report could save your life. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and press like. Thank you very much.